There we go. Say something. Say hi. There he goes. Hi.
Say, I
There you
don't
go.
think so.
Grandma's sticking the bobo in his mouth.
Say,
And now
I
she's
don't
squeezing
think
him.
so. Turn it off. Look, sweetie. Look, sweetie. So you were doing whoosh, whoosh. You're taking it with that big thing in his mouth.
Oh my God, I can't stand
What's the
those.
matter? Okay. Come here. You got those hiccups so we don't like those? Huh? Yep, you got the hiccups. Alright, I'm gonna switch you. Here, babe. Here.
Let him talk for a bit. Say hi, Titi. Hi, Titi. What's she doing with that again? What's she doing with that again? He's looking right at me.
He's saying go away.
I want to show him to Nani. Say hi, Nani. Oh, my squishy faces.
Alright. Sorry, I know I'm poking. Do you do this real quick? Do you change them sometimes?
Yeah, I do.
Do you do them real quick? I poke.
I do it. I sit like cross-legged on the bed to change
Wow.
it, just because I can't bend over.
Yeah, but that works on the bed.
Why do you want to do it quick?
Okay. Oh, sweetie. I'm sorry. I know it's a little cold. Okay. I'm sorry. Okay, no wonder you're crying. Your butt is all red. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
That's not even a cry. He was crying earlier. What's the matter?
It hurts and it's cold.
It doesn't hurt.
Well, it's cold. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
What? What? What?